Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some cheesy corn dog. So first I'm going to add my wooden square into my hot dog slowly all the way almost up to the top, not quite. Then I'm going to add my cheese to the hot dog. After applying my cheese to the hot dog, then I'm going to allow for it to stay in the refrigerator for 40 minutes in order to allow for the cheese to stick properly onto my hot dogs. This is a simple recipe, guys. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. The choice is basically yours. For those persons who haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please feel free to do so, and my regular teammates, family members, friends, associates, thank you guys so very much for taking the time out to view my channel. I do appreciate y'all. Yet I'm on my third hot dogs now. I'm just gonna do 5. You can do whatever amount you choose to do. I love eating hot dogs, so I always try to find different means and ways to eat my hot dogs. So guys, here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of refined cornmeal. I'm mixing it in for everything to cooperate itself together. Mixing it slowly in. I'm adding some more cornmeal to it because that wasn't enough, because my bowl is a bit small, so I have to keep applying from time to time. So I'm mixing it in slowly but surely. Very simple recipe, very simple recipe. Now I'm going to go ahead and I added a teaspoon of salt. Yep. Have also added 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Have also added a little black pepper. And I'm going to continue mixing it and mix it up. Yes. And I'm mixing it in like I'm mixing cement on a construction site. Now I'll be adding 2 eggs. Yup. And there I go again, mixing all the way right through. Keep mixing until the egg is dissolved properly into my dough. Right here, oops, my spoon has broke, so I went ahead and I changed it to a metal spoon. Mixing it in. I'm now going to add a cup of milk. Yes guys, I'm making myself a batter. Mix it in. Slowly but surely, because my pan is a bit small, but it's getting there. Guys, this is my finished product. This is how your batter should look. That's when I added my baking powder. And I'm going to mix that in as well. That's the type of batter you guys should have. Mix it in all in. You can use a spoon or you can use a whisk, whatever you guys have at home. Just use what you guys have at home. Mix it in. Perfect. Now that is my butter. That is how a butter should look. Excellent, guys. Job well done. Excellent. Perfect. Guys, look at my butter. Oh my god. Excellent. Cooking is something that I love. I'm so passionate about cooking. Now I'm going to pour my butter into a glass. Slowly adding my batter to the glass. I'm not going to bring it all the way up to the top because I don't want for it to float over, but I'm putting as much batter in the glass as possible. Yes, that should be fine. Excellent. Now I'm going to remove my hot dogs from the fridge. My oil has been already been heated. I'm removing my hot dogs from the fridge and I'm going to add it to my batter, slowly inserting it inside of my batter, and I'm going to slowly spin it around so the entire hot dog is coated with the batter. Be careful, guys. As you can see there, my cheese, it hasn't been able to stick properly, so I'm slowly taking it out. There's my cheese hanging a little, but that's fine. That's no worries. I'm draining off some of the excess batter and I'm now going to add it to my oil. Yep. Never mind that piece of cheese hanging there. Everything will be sorted. So guys, that is my cheesy corn dogs. It doesn't get any better than this. This is just a simple recipe. Very simple, very unique, very tasty. Y'all should try it out. Simple, cheesy corn dog recipe. Guys, feel free to try it. I'm going to add 3 one time and then I'm going to fry the other 2 at the end of it. Thank you so very much for staying tuned. Please feel free to leave a comment, to like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's come over and cook together. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.